Today, we're going to learn how to persist a pandas data frame with raw SQL using a class that we created in our last video. We have our candle data, which we're just cleaning up down here into our data frame. I'll go ahead and hide these. When I print out our data frame, this is what we're left with. You can see here that we've created two tables, one for the instruments, another for the candles. The candles are going to hold most of what our data frame has to offer, but we do want a foreign key. I've also inserted the instrument, and in running this, you can see that it is returning to us USDJPY with its ID. So now we want to take our data frame and insert all the data into the candles while still being able to dynamically reference the instrument table. We are creating the base of the actual insert statement on the top line here. Each row, we're going to build upon that query with all the value placeholders and the appropriate subquery to get the ID of the instrument assigned to that row. We do provide this trailing comma, so we have to remove that at the very end. When I run this, it's going through and creating all of our entries. It's really good to know how to leverage SQL in your own projects and not rely on external libraries to create those queries for you. This is an example where you want to connect multiple tables. That's the power of relational databases. I hope it helps you see that we do want to be able to write these queries on our own. Anyways, thank you for watching.